Just a quick one on CJ is that I thought we might be getting stopped out and it was going to start annoying me, but I'm not going to let it annoy me. It can really frustrate you quite easily. So you've got to remember just to keep calm. And if you get stopped out, don't worry so much. It's just one of those things. The thing is, we are on the precipice of a huge risk event. So yen can probably strengthen based on, the fear factor that we're going to see tomorrow. So we have to remember fundamentals. Also have to remember risk management as well. So if you are in profit, it's never really that much harm just to, take some risk off, move your stop to entry, and it would prevent this scenario occurring where we might get stopped out. And it's very frustrating, I will admit, because everything's lined up for it to go up, but yet we're falling. So, you know, uh, I guess the only thing that we can say, the takeaway is your risk management. If you're in profit, you could just like move your stop ahead at entry and it stops all this nonsense where we're going to potentially get stopped out at a 26 pip loss, which isn't going to break your bank, but it'd just be frustrating. And it's just one of those things, isn't it? So AJ is going to be miles away. We might not get filled in it. That's fine. But CJ really should be coming up because of all of this, right? And so are the retailers going to get paid? Maybe, but it'd be unusual, and we might just be seeing this retracement just because it can, and it can frustrate, and it might just want to just induce more shorts before it comes up higher. But really, we should be coming up higher. Also, just to note that don't get stressed or frustrated if you get stopped out. Don't worry so much, and remember things can't go in straight lines either. They have to zigzag. And that's the frustrating part. We did create some supply, actually, just worth noting before I wrap up. 98.83, 98.95. So a thin supply overhead, which we'll need to overcome ideally in order to TP. So we could theoretically do that, but then it's a terrible risk to reward. It's less than the 1R. So we'll keep it up here where we're going to raid the stops. That's the theory for the TP. Okay, so potentially get stopped out, but one, don't get annoyed if we do. Two, if you're in profit, you can always move your stop at entry. It's not an amazing strategy, but it does prevent that stress that might incur if we go into drawdown, which we are currently in drawdown. And also, thirdly, we shouldn't be falling because of all of this, okay? And I suppose the last thing is just to be careful because of CPI tomorrow. So wrap up this before CPI. Because this is going to probably rubber band a lot and it might really, really fall, but we don't really know for sure. So just trade safely and remember those little tips that I told you.